Hello everyone, it's Sue from Craft and Enjoy and welcome to my craft from today. It's a bit of a brighter day out there today, I'm pleased to report. So I hope you're seeing what I'm doing okay. Today I'm making some bookmarks. I'm doing a Stampin' Up party in a few weeks, so hopefully, all being well, I've been making these now. I just keep looking at this stamp set and I just really like it. Perisian Beauty, it's a beaut to me, I can tell you. I really like playing with it. I like to do different things, and this is something like I've never done before. So I just sat here, got a few colours out and just thought, oh, what shall I do? So this is my idea. So I'm also using this punch, this tag topper punch. So I love it. I have some Brave Vanilla cut at 2 inches, just on hair under 2 inches, and it's a whole width of an A4 sheet. And I've done that one in the punch. So I'm just going to start popping that in there like so. So when that bit's done, these are so quick and easy. I've already mounted up. The colours I'm using today are Early Espresso, Real Red and Crumb Cake. So they go really nicely together. So I'm going to start by, you can see where I've been doing it on my scrap paper underneath. And the Eiffel Tower is going to be in Crumb Cake. And, you know, it doesn't really matter if it's over the edge or not straight or, you know, I quite like it. So I'm going to do a couple here just to show you what I'm doing. I'm not juddering my tripod too much. There we are. So that's those two done. Then I'm going to get the postage stamp. This is just so you know, I love it. And I've done it in Real Red, but I'm stamping, as you can see here, I've been stamping off. So it looks a little bit, so it's not so bright, so it's a bit more muted. This is just such a good way to use your inks in a, you know, obviously that's first generation, second generation, third generation. So that's the way, if you want it to look really old and aged, that's the way to do it. And it's the same one ink pad, so they're really good. And the Stampin' Up ones are, in my opinion, one of the best. Then the next bit in Early Espresso, and there's a little sort of, I don't know, wavy franking, is it like a franking machine sort of line, little wavy lines. Then I've got Life is a Magnificent Adventure. I'm going to put that on the side there like that, just to match my other ones. I just wanted something so different. And this is certainly different. Then in the same set, there's this like a sort of scripty sort of stamp. And I wanted to have like a bit of sort of, I've just done this and that, so it kind of joins up a little bit, so you've got writing around it. And that is that bit, and that's that bit. I've not done it twice, so I just don't like that. And that really is it. Pop a bit of ribbon on the end. Where's my ribbon gone? And you're good to go, really. I've just got about, how about inches? About sort of 4 inches of ribbon. Bookmarks are really popular at the moment because I think there's going to be a bit of a book revival. I think these, all the online sort of Kindles and various things, other makes are available that you can download. They're not the same as sitting reading an actual book. So, and I think people quite like the books. So I've got some Crumb Cake ribbon here that I'm just using. So I think obviously people need bookmarks, and there's my bookmark. Obviously I could make this into a card, I can make it smaller, bigger. I like that size because I just think it looks really nice and you can put quite a lot on it. So I'm just going to show you again. I'll just, you know, put up, is that 4 inches? I'm saying 4 inches. It might not be. Let's get that piece of paper out of the way. Actually, it's about 6 inches of ribbon. Let's get my bit of scrap paper out of the way and put that through. God, the sun's just come out where I am. You see the sun. I'm always complaining about the weather. I shouldn't be complaining really. There's worse things going on in the world right now. So, and it's nice and sunny, so we should be thankful for that. But yes, this is looking lovely. I just point those ends, and I'm having a party, like a Stampin' Up party, and I've got hopefully got some people coming. So I've done a whole batch of these. So how cute are they? So if you'd like to go over to my website and buy anything of the supplies I've used today, you can. It's craftstoenjoy.com. So there's also a link to my online shop on my video. On the side there it should be. And if you don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. And don't forget to click on the bell so you get they tell you when I put a video up. Hope to speak to you very soon, and have a crafty day, and keep well everyone out there, and we're going to craft on through this. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.